What's going on, guys? It's been a while since you see me up here. Some of y'all probably thought I was dead. I actually did get one Instagram message, someone asking if I fucking died. I did not die. I'm here. I was focusing on other things, and I know I've been on and off with this whole thing, but there's been a lot of things been happening in my life that I've needed to put more attention to, and that I haven't really had the time and need to do this. But I've realized I used to help a ton of people doing these videos, and I still do. And the support right now, if you look at my subscriber count, I'm nearing 900, and that's higher than it's ever been. So I need to get back to doing this, and it's what I love doing. I speak my heart, I speak my passion, and I speak of things that I care about, and I relate to other people who feel like they have no one to relate to, you know, and I felt that way as well. And so that's why I like to do things like this. So allow me for a minute to rant about something that I feel like I need to talk about to everybody, to everyone who watches this, man, because it's a big problem, I think, in the world, okay? A lot of my videos, you know, they're not conventional YouTuber videos. They don't have crazy editing. They don't have fancy cameras. I don't write a script. I wing everything. I've never written a script for any of my videos. And I speak about things I'm passionate about. I don't do typical shit. I swear in my videos. Big deal. People swear, okay? Let me talk about, though, what I think is important to know real quick, especially to younger people like me and you. I'm 19. A lot of people who watch me, my main demographic is 18 to 24 years old. Look, man, I'm talking about the importance of money, okay? And money in the modern world is so, it's just so hyped up, and it's so talked about, and it's posted everywhere. You see it everywhere you go, man. Billboards, TV, music. Music's a big one. Every other song is talking about racks and rollies and stupid shit like that. You see money everywhere. But let me tell you how unimportant money really is. Okay? And I promise you it's not important. Not very important. Yeah, you needed to live. You needed to get food, to live in a shelter, you know, to have clothes or whatever. But other than that, it's really unimportant. You don't need an excess amount of money. I've been broke, man. I've lived in my fucking car. I've slept in my car. I have been hungry. Okay, I haven't always been super stable myself. Thankfully, I have my family that, you know, keeps me up and supports me and helps me. But I haven't always had a good amount of money in my life. And let me tell you, I was one of the happiest persons I've ever been when I was dead fucking broke. When I didn't have money, when I was in my car, when I didn't have anything to pay for, when I was wearing the same outfit 3 days in a row, when I was hungry. I was one of the happiest people I've ever been. And that was a huge lesson learned for me. And I'm so glad I went through it. Because I know, man, you don't need money to be happy. And you don't need money to love your life. It's just not a necessary thing that we need. And it's so hyped up. And you need this money. And if you don't have this outfit, or if you don't have these clothes, you're not cool. Or if you don't have, you know, this amount of girls, or, you know, a girl that looks like this, then you're not cool, right? Then you're not pimping. Stupid shit, man. It gets me livid, bro. And money is honestly invaluable. The government and higher officials have just, they make money over the past few centuries. They've made this pattern of where people think that money is the most important thing in life. You trade money to get food. You trade money to get a car. You trade money to get clothes. You trade money to get heat and air and water. You trade money to get freedom. Man, I wish I want to live in a world that has a stable government, that people can trade services to each other so that people can live stably. Such as, hey, I'll give you 3 cows, and in return you give me, you know, 50 gallons of water. Or something like that, man. Like, why can't people just help people to live? Why is it, if you don't have this much money, fucking sucks. Get the money. Or you can't have this. It sucks, dude. Let me tell you, just please understand, money is not as important as it seems to be, as music makes it seem to be. Music is bigger than it's ever been, and it's also the shittiest, in my opinion, than it's ever been. Don't listen to any of it. Don't see the posts on Instagram that have people flashing their money and flashing their stuff around. You don't need it. You really don't. You need to be happy, and you don't need money to be happy, man. Trust me, I've been there, and I've still been happy, and I'm still happy today because I know how to keep myself happy, whether I have money or whether I don't have money. So stop thinking it's so important. Y'all live for this shit. You shouldn't be living for it, man. Alright, money hasn't always existed, and people have always been fine. People have always been happy without money. Money came into the world and it fucked everything up. It's just imaginary. It's just paper. It has an imaginary fucking value. And it's unnecessary. And I don't like it. I don't know, man. That's just kind of what I think. The basics, the foundation of what I think. Money's cool. Money's great. You get stuff. You get food. You get to live. But at the end of the day, man, it doesn't mean shit. Peace out.